Good morning, beta. Good morning. Devoshmita, what is going on? Are you ready for the computer class or not? Quickly, good morning. Do you know your exam date? Have you got the exam date or not? Yes, okay, fine. 18th you have computer exam, right? And you know very well chapter number 1 to 5. It is in our syllabus 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay? And okay, very good. Yes, Indakshi. And now previous class I discussed chapter number 5 question answer, right? Only 2 questions are left, that is write the steps to save a Wattpad file. I will only discuss because in your exam, listen carefully. 25 questions will be there and each question 2 marks. 50 marks exam, but 25 questions will be there and each question 2 marks. Okay? Understood? And 4 options, same as 4 option will be there and you have to tick the correct option. You have to tick the correct answer. Okay, beta? Then let's start now. Previous class I discussed chapter number 5. Chapter number 5, book exercise. 2 questions are left. I will just orally discuss these 2 questions. Okay? Just listen and then whole chapters revision. Okay? Chapter number 1 to 5 division, oral division. I will ask the questions and you will reply me. Okay? Understood, beta? Okay. Now here I will just discuss short answer questions. Number C. You all please take out your book and write the steps to save a Wattpad file. Write the steps to save a Wattpad file. How to save a Wattpad file? To save a Wattpad file, you have to follow some step. First, click on the Wattpad button. First, top left corner, there is a Wattpad button. You have to click on the Wattpad button and then click on the save as or save option. You can click on the save or. Okay, very good. Now you have to click on the save or save as option, and when you click on the save button, you can see a save as dialog box will open and there is a space to write the file name. Type the file name that you wish to provide the file name box and you have to type a file name, and then after typing the file name you just click on the save button. When you type the file name, is just down 2 button, save or cancel. If you want to save, then file name, type the file name in the file name box, and then after typing the name, after giving the name, you just click on the save button. That you just click on the save button, then your file will be saved in Wattpad. Okay? And the next question, I'll just discuss next question. How will you shut down a computer system? Question number D. You all please understood, beta? Indakshi, you have one problem. Okay, tell me, ask me. Now, how will you shut down a computer system? How will you shut down a computer system? First, click on the start button. First, click on the start button and then click on the power button. Then click on power with a left mouse click. There is a button of power. You just click on the power button. When you click on the power button, there is a option shut down. Then select on shut down option. And in this way you can shut down your machine. Or another way, right click on the start button. There's a start button is there, you just right click on the start button. When you right click on the start button, choose the shutdown or sign out option. When you right click, there will be an option, few option will drop down menu or options will be there. You just select, if you want to shut down, you just select the shutdown or sign out, and then click on the shutdown button. After choosing the option, click on the shutdown button. In this way also you can shut down. Now think and do. Now Debushmita ma'am, you have a computer. Debushmita, operating a computer, any problem? Indakshi, what happened? Chapter number 5, operating a computer, what happened? This chapter is going on. You have a computer, okay, fine. Amurto, very good, that means you practice. Debushmita, any problem? What problem? Amurto, you all have computer, okay, very good. Now, while working on Wattpad, Robbie noticed that the title bar suddenly turned grey. What does this mean? When the title bar grey in color, what does mean? That means it is okay, fine. Riddhi, whatever questions I am given, please reply me, others also. While working on Wattpad, Robbie noticed that the title bar suddenly turned grey. Title bar suddenly turned grey. Then what does this mean? Title bar grey means it is inactive. Title bar grey means it is inactive. Aman, you have computer, very good. Now what does mean? Title bar grey means it is inactive, and how can this be reversed so that Robbie resumed his work? Title bar when grey, then you have to click on the Wattpad working area. If you click on the Wattpad working area, then title bar again turn in blue. It means Wattpad window is active. Okay, Wattpad window is active. Okay, fine. Now it's a division class. I am discuss others question also. Okay, let's start now. Chapter number, I will ask the questions and you will reply me, okay? Yes, when it's turned blue means it is active. How to active it? In a working area, you just click on the working area, okay? You just click on the working area, then it will active again. Click on the Wattpad working area, the title bar turns in blue, that means it is active. Okay, let's start now. Now listen the question carefully, everybody. Small pictures on the desktop. Small pictures on the desktop are known as taskbar, desktop, icons, none of this. Number, I am just writing the option. Small pictures on the desktop are known as option A, taskbar, option B, desktop, option C, icons, option D, none of this. Option D, none of this. Yes, very good all of you. Icons, the small pictures on the desktop are known as icons. Very good, beta. Next question, question number 2. The first display screen which is known as the first display screen which is known as the option A, desktop, option B, icons, option C, Wattpad, and option D, none of this. None of this. Desktop, very good, beta. Oshmi, Ovirup, Kaushik is the previous answer. Icons, Devushmita correct. Indakshik, icons is the previous answer. Question number 2 answer is desktop. Yes, the first display screen which is known as the desktop. Okay, The next question, question number 3. The thin bar at the bottom of the desktop. The thin bar at the bottom of the desktop is called the desktop. Option B, taskbar. Option C, icon. And option D, title bar. Title bar. The thin bar at the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar. Yes, very good all of you. Very good beta. It's a taskbar. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Now next question, question number 4. Question number 4. The topmost blue bar on an application. The topmost blue bar of an application is known as the option A, taskbar. Option B, Windows. Option C, title bar. And option D, none of these. The topmost blue bar, no beta, not Debushmita, not Windows beta, not taskbar also. It is a title bar. Osmi, you are correct. The topmost blue bar of an application. The topmost blue bar of an application is known as the title bar. Yes, Oviru, Vindakshi, correct. Title bar. The topmost blue bar of an application is known as the title bar. Okay. Next, number 5. A blinking line present on the screen. Listen. A blinking line present on the screen from where we start typing is called the option A, cursor. Option B, icon. Option C, taskbar. And option D, title bar. Title bar. The blinking line present on the screen from where we start typing is called a cursor. Very good all of you. Option A is the correct answer, cursor. Can you tell me button? Dash button is used to close an application. Dash button is used to close an application. Option A, minimize button. Option B, maximize. Option C, close. Option D, none of this. Yes, very good. Ayush, Arpon, Oshmi, very good beta. Close button is used to close an application. Next question. Dash button is used to minimize the window on the taskbar. Dash button is used to minimize the window on the taskbar. Maximize, minimize, restore down, close. Minimize, yes. Minimize, M-I-N-I-M-I-Z-E. Minimize, yes. M-I-N-I-M-I-Z-E. Minimize, yes. With Arpon, Riddhi, Debushmita, you all are correct. Oshmi, very good beta. Minimize button is used to minimize the window on the taskbar. Minimize the window on the taskbar. Okay, I will continue the next question. First, I will take your attendance. Okay, then next question. Wait, Ovirup Banerjee. Ovirup Banerjee present. Next, Amartya Niyogi present. Aritro Ghosh. Aritro Ghosh present. Then Arman Shamim present. Present. Arpon Das present. Oshmi Pal present. Ayush Pal present. and Devoshmita Maji, present, and Vriddhi Paja, present, Indakshi Sen, Indakshi present, Kaushik Ghosh present, Kritika present, Kritika present. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, now next question. How many tabs are present? Listen the question, all of you. I have taken your attendance. How many tabs are present in Wattpad window? 4, 3, 2, 1. How many tabs are present in Wattpad window? 2 tabs. Very good, Devoshmita. Oshmi, what are they? Name them. Name them. 2 tabs. Name. Yes, you all are correct, beta. There are 2 tabs. Can you tell me the name of that 2 tabs? Home tab and View tab. Home tab and View. File tab and yes, there are 2 tabs present in Wattpad window. The 2 tabs are Home tab and View tab. Okay, correct. Now next question. In which tab is the paragraph group present in Wattpad? In which tab is the paragraph group present in Wattpad? Home tab, View tab, File tab, none of this. It is under of the Home tab. Very good, all of you. Next question. Working on data is called. Working on data is called. Option A, input. Option B, output. Option C, processing. Option D, none of this. Working on data is called. Working on data is called. Option A, input. Option B, output. Option C, processing. Option D, none of this. Yes, Ovirup, processing. Riddhi, processing. Indakshi, no need to write. Answer me. Processing. Working on data is called processing. Okay. The printed copy of text and photos. The printed copy of text and photos on a paper is called the hard copy. Option A, hard copy. Option B, processing. Option C, soft copy. And option D, none of this. The printed copy of the text is called, yes, Ayush, very good. The printed copy of text and photos on a paper is called the hard copy. Option A is the correct answer, hard copy. Very good. Next question. The slant arrow on the screen. The slant arrow on the screen is known as the cursor, arrow, enter, mouse pointer. Option A, cursor. Option B, arrow. Option C, enter. And option D, mouse pointer. Yes, very good, Oshmi. Mouse pointer, the slant arrow on the screen. The slant arrow on the screen is known as mouse pointer. The slant arrow on the screen is known as mouse pointer. Now, the pad on which we move the mouse is known as mouse mat, mouse pad, mouse cover, none of this. The pad on which we move the mouse is known as the mouse mat, mouse pad, mouse cover, and none of this. Mouse pad, yes, correct. The optical mouse uses dash for the movement of the mouse pointer. The optical mouse uses dash for the movement of the mouse pointer. Light, ball, wheel, none of this. Light, very good. Vriddhi, Ovirup, very good. Arpon, Oshmi, Amorto, very good, beta. Optical mouse uses light for the movement of the mouse pointer. Okay, your time up. Okay, beta. For today, this much. See you next class. And you all will practice in this way. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.